When I take out the lens, as you can see, I choose the lens that are reflective, that almost see through. So I'm gonna take out the lens first.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, I'm back here without the lens. So we got the lens. Right. Now, next step.
A few inches later.
Okay, the next step is that you take the piece of paper. As you can see here, I already draw the line for the lens. This is the size of the lens. You need to create the outline of the lens. Right, then you need to find the frames that you want. Okay, I'm done drawing tracing. I don't know. Alright, tracing the lens, the frames. Okay, now what you have to do next is how much that you want your lens, this lens, to be exposed. I mean, see through the this one. How much that you want it to be exposed, the lens, right? One thing for sure that is it must be smaller than this one, because I choose a bigger frame because that it can cover up the lens so that it won't fall off compared to other lens that smaller frames. That's why I'm choosing the MCU Homecoming one. Alright, just draw it as you like. You can just trace from your computer the original lines and everything. Now I'm gonna draw the landscape.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday. Harder, harder. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up. Climbing and climbing, I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste
Okay, out of frames, both of them. Right? See.
we'll go.
This one.
Through the wastelands, through the highways,
Wait,
till my shadow turns to sun rays.
problem is that I think I'm gonna add another layer of fabric here so it doesn't move around. Add another two actually. So I'm just gonna glue it together like this. And the thing is, it's gonna be really thick. The frame's gonna be thick.
Dripping lights paint the skies.
Then take the other fabric, place it onto it. Maybe like this. Just make it like a sandwich. Yeah, like a sandwich. Just press it together. And then leave it together. Right? Okay, I'm done with the gluing the fabric. It's a bit thick, but it should hold the lens together. Another one. So all you have to do is now to stick to your mask, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.